Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw oval shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to draw oval shape this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Picture Shapes option. Now we can see here many shapes. Then we can see the oval shape. Then we click it. Then draw the shape to this page. Now we can see we draw oval shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.